First veterinary college in the world was established in Lyon, Lyon, city of France. Father of veterinary science in India is Salihotra. India related question. Each year, World Veterinary Day is celebrated on last Saturday of April. April the fourth month of this of English calendar. Recently, SARS-CoV-2 was found in which of these animals in Hong Kong and USA respectively. Dog and tiger has been reported to be infected with SARS-CoV-2 virus in Hong Kong and USA. Hong Kong has report of dog and USA reported the infection of tiger. Which animal is unable to fart? Kangaroo. Kangaroo is unable to fart. Which from what noun name veterinary is derived and what does it mean? It is derived from vacca, that means cow. Veterinary word is derived from vacca, that means cow, and vaccination is also derived from vacca, that means cow. I'm not sure for vacca for vaccination, but veterinary is derived from VACC, vacca, that means cow. A popular veterinarian known as Elephant Man of Asia has been selected for prestigious Padma Shri Award 2002. He is Dr. K.K. Sharma. Indian related question. Identify the species shown in the photograph below. This is the mithun or mithun. It is the photoshoped animal. In which year World Veterinary Day was instigated by a World Veterinary Association? In 2001. In 2001, World Veterinary Day was instigated by a World Veterinary Association. First scientific research in artificial insemination was performed on dog. Who is the only veterinarian to have won Nobel Prize in Medicine? Peter Doherty. Peter Doherty is the only veterinarian who is the Nobel Prize winner. First veterinary college in India was in Bombay. Which pet animal are born blind? Rabbit is born blind. There is no cat, dog. Indian Veterinary Council Act was in 1989, in 1984, and 1996 or 1994 Pakistan Veterinary Medical Council was established. Emergency animal helpline number is 1962. Emergency animal helpline number. Indian related question. Veterinary license examination for abroad is both of above as national veterinary examination NVE and national veterinary licensing examination NAVLE. NVE and NAVLE, also known as NAVLE. World Environment Day is 5th June. January, February, March, April, May, June. 6th month. 5th day of 6th month is the World Environment Day. Vet techs can perform which of the following? Veterinary technicians can perform surgical assisting. Veterinary astronaut are both of above as Richard M. Linehan and Martin Fatman. Martin Fatman and Richard M. Linehan are the veterinary astronauts. The study of animal behavior is called as ethology. Which animal can never sleep? Bulldog never sleeps. The latest 20th livestock census released 1 year of 2019 Indian related question. Fat percentage and solid knot percentage of pasteurized milk of Amul Gold is. Fat percentage and SNF 3% fat and 8.5% solid knot fat is in Amul Gold. When world was officially declared free from rinderpest by OIE in 2000, the world was officially declared free from rinderpest. Which animal has a longest period of pregnancy? Elephant, and the duration of pregnancy is of 2 years in elephant. First in vitro fertilization in buffalo developed by an NDRI is the Pratham. Pratham was the first AI developed by NDRI. An administrative and operational branch of Indian Army for Veterinarian is RVC, Royal Veterinary Corps, I think. Latest MSVE, minimum standards for veterinary education, as per new VCI released in 2016. Indian related question: in which year 250th anniversary of veterinary profession declared as World Veterinary Year in 2011? 2011 was the 250th veterinary professional anniversary and it was the World Veterinary Year. Deemed veterinary university in India is both Wabas as IVRI and NDRI. The most dangerous animal of all the species that veterinary personnel are asked to restrain is the dairy bull. Dairy bull is the most difficultly to be restrained. Silver revolution for egg. Last year theme of World Veterinary Day 2019 was value of vaccination. Prime Minister will launch National Disease Eradication Control Program for disease of FMD and brucellosis, which is the only state lab in India to study first genome sequencing of SARS-CoV. COVID virus 2. It is the Gujarat Biotechnology Research Center.